Welcome to Olavad Stanley. Elfie Delphi, this video guide on dry docking, operations and surveys. This master blueprint will cover the essentials of preparation, stability, and execution for Chief Engineer oral assessments. Why do we dry dock a vessel? The primary drivers are maintaining seaworthiness for statutory compliance, performing routine maintenance for operational efficiency, and conducting repairs if the hull structure has been damaged. Statutory intervals depend on the vessel's age. For ships under 15 years, a minimum of 2 surveys in any 5-year period is required. For older ships, strict 2-year intervals apply. Extensions up to 2.5 years are possible if specific hull protection measures are in place. 3 months out, focus on preparation. Finalize your defect list, coordinate repair specifications with the yard, and ensure all spare parts, special tools, and paint quantities are procured and verified. Before docking, provide the dockmaster with all necessary plans, stability data, and shore supply specifications. Crucially, review the block plan to ensure critical sensors and sea chests remain accessible. 14 days out, prioritize system changeovers. Switch systems to marine diesel oil, flush fuel lines, update logs, and perform final tests on safety and maneuvering equipment. In the layup berth, strictly adhere to standing orders. Maintain fire detection, lock the CO2 room, and ensure all hot work is covered by a permit. Avoid any unauthorized engine movement or tank transfers. For entering the dock, the ship should be in a light ship, condition with 0, list and a slight trim by the stern. This matches the dock's declivity and ensures structural integrity during the first contact. Understanding sewing is vital, as the ship takes the blocks, an upward reaction force causes a virtual loss of metacentric height. The golden rule is to keep this virtual GM positive until the vessel is fully landed. Manage free surface effect by keeping tanks either completely empty or pressed full. For emergency docking with cargo, ensure proper load distribution across blocks to handle severe racking stresses. Once the ship has taken the blocks, record all drafts and establish a baseline for weight distribution. This ensures you have accurate data for the undocking phase later. When connecting shore power, you must verify the voltage, frequency, phase sequence, and current rating. Ensure proper earthing is established to prevent stray current corrosion. Fire safety is a shared responsibility. The crew must blank off the CO2 system and maintain patrols, while yard personnel provide water to the fire main and handle primary response. During hull welding, always use a direct earth connection to prevent arcing through bearings. Additionally, remember to protect sensors and anodes from damage during cleaning and painting processes. Finally, various statutory surveys take place in dry dock, including inspections of the bottom, rudder, propeller, tail shaft, and the overall hull structure to maintain your certification. Preparing for a tail shaft survey involves several steps. You must set the main engine to top dead center, drain all lubrication oil from the stern tube, take bearing wear down readings using a poker gauge, and then dismantle the propeller and seals to carefully draw the shaft inboard. During the inspection, the surveyor evaluates the shaft diameter, journal bearing, surfaces, and the chrome steel liner for wear, scoring, or corrosion. They also conduct non-destructive crack detection on tapers and keyways while performing a complete overhaul of the forward and aft seal assemblies. A tail shaft condition monitoring or TCM notation can extend withdrawal intervals. This requires continuous logging of lubricating oil analysis, oil consumption, bearing temperatures, and alarm functions at intervals no greater than 6 months to ensure the system remains in satisfactory condition. For the propeller, inspect for erosion and cavitation, measure blade thickness ultrasonically, and check the nut for movement. For the rudder, remove the drain plug to check for water ingress and record neck, pintle, and jumping clearances in the official class ledger. Hull and sea chest inspections require cleaning and painting of sea chests, the overhaul of overboard valves, and the inspection of submerged sensors. Furthermore, ensure cathodic protection is functional and that all hull markings are clearly visible for the surveyor. Thank you for completing this overview of dry docking procedures. Maintaining strict adherence to these survey protocols and documentation standards is essential for the continued safe operation and compliance of your vessel. Olavad Stanley, in the loving memory of my mom and dad. Elfie Delphi.